Good evening and welcome to the 60th anniversary of the celebration of UF Health Urology.
I remember the story about the surgeon who went to do a nephrectomy and tells the patient, I'll do this surgery and I will come to see you after the surgery. And the patient tells him, Doc, it's not important that you see me, important that I see you. So I'm so happy to see you guys, really.
It's really a big family here. And there's not a lot of programs, I don't think, that have that family feel that we have here.
Everything everybody tells you about the program is true. It was very collegial, very paternal. It was terrific. You could really approach the faculty.
And so to everyone that brought us here and the people we hope that you continue to inspire in the training program, I just want to say thank you for me and for everybody.